Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Come test drive the 2018 Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a good-looking crossover with bold styling. An 8-inch infotainment screen offers the latest in technology and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.